Hey guys, my name is Mike Ireland Castañon, and I'm from the Houston, Texas area. Just wanted to give you a quick video of my experience with TTP and Wholesaling Inc. as a whole. I've been a tribe member since the end of 2017 and used direct mail specifically for my marketing campaigns. And although it worked great, it just wasn't really consistent enough for me, and the pricing was a little too much for my budget. And which is why I actually joined TTP in the midsummer of 2018. Um, since then, my business does not look like how it was in the past. I have multiple cold callers now. I'm closing deals consistently and getting consistent leads every single day. And the great thing about it, it's maybe half the cost of direct mail. So if you're interested in learning how to be more consistent with your business, or want a new marketing channel for your business, I would definitely recommend booking a coaching call with TTP. Specifically for me, it's probably one of the best things that's ever happened to me. Um, this month, we actually closed our biggest month yet at $102,000. And never in my wildest dreams would I ever imagine making that kind of money. And not only that, working from home. So it's been a really great experience, and I love the coaching that they offer. I love the community that they offer, and you'll be able to have access to everything. All right, thank you.